In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos using Canva Faceless videos. If you want polished videos without showing your face, this workflow will take you from a blank canvas to a finished MP4. All inside Canva. Start by opening Canva and searching for video or YouTube video. Pick the format that fits your platform: horizontal for YouTube, vertical for shorts or reels. This gives you a clean canvas and a timeline at the bottom where everything comes together. Don't worry about perfection yet. You'll refine as you build. Next, gather visuals. Head to the Elements tab. Type in keywords that match your topic and switch the filter to videos so you only see motion clips. Try a few variations of your keywords to find the right mood and pacing, and choose clips long enough to cover your narration. When you like one, right-click it and choose Set as Background. That fills the entire frame with the footage and keeps it locked to the canvas size. If the subject isn't centered, double-click the clip to reposition it within the frame for a cleaner composition. Now bring in your audio. Upload your voiceover or use your favorite AI tool to generate one and drag it straight onto the timeline. The waveform helps you see where sentences begin and end, so you can sync visuals to your narration. For ambience, open the Audio tab and add subtle background music. Keep it supportive, not distracting. Lower the music volume so your narration stays clear. And consider a gentle fade in and fade out to avoid abrupt starts or endings. Time to edit. Use the scissor icon to trim or split clips so your visuals match the timing of your voiceover. You can also drag the clip edges to fine-tune durations. Cut on natural pauses or breath points, shorten shots that linger, and extend moments that need more context by swapping in similar stock clips. Aim for smooth pacing that follows the rhythm of your narration. Enhance clarity with on-face screen text. Add headlines or captions. Choose readable fonts and keep colors high contrast against your footage. Animate the text for gentle motion and add transitions between pages to create natural scene changes. If you need a new scene, add a new page. Place your next video as background and continue aligning it to the audio. Keep text within safe margins so it stays visible on mobile screens. When everything feels tight, hit preview and watch from start to finish. Listen for jumps, check spellings, and confirm the visuals reinforce each point. Then click Share. Choose Download, select MP4. Pick your resolution and export. Your MP4 will be ready for any major platform. And that's your faceless video, ready to publish. Thanks for watching.